service around here. Emma just got thank you so much.
So
she just got me Starbucks. That is the sweetest thing. Oh my god, and she got Grace Starbucks as well. Wow. Cheers. Good. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Oh my god, you're so sweet. Hello everyone. Happy Monday, ladies. I hope we're all doing fantastic. Good to see you. I feel like we haven't had a school vlog in a minute. So it's a little later that I'm starting this video. It's 6:45. I've like shown a few clips from today. Mondays are usually pretty just busy with homework, so I had 2 classes. I got a video up. I got a really exciting package sent here, so I undid that. And then I got some hangers because I organized my closet because I brought like a bunch of fall clothes back. I didn't have enough hangers, so my closet was a wreck, so we did that. And then I decided that I wanted to work out because some of us have not been working out, okay? And some of us need to do that. And by some of us, I mean me. I'm like really out of breath. But I wanted to multitask and I also wanted to talk to you guys. So I'm just like finishing up. I'm cooling down right now. So you can obviously tell I'm like disgusting. So I'm gonna go back down to the apartment after this and make myself some dinner. I like have no food, so I don't really know what we're gonna whip up. We'll find something. And then I'm gonna shower and I have an assignment. And I need to do some more YouTube stuff. And then I started watching Emily in Paris and I kind of want to watch an episode before I fall asleep. So that's my update. I wanted to talk and walk because there's a lot going on. So I hope guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new to my channel and you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank you. Good to see you again. So I just changed and I'm gonna go up to the gym and we're gonna go work out, and I'm gonna update you guys and talk to you while I am warming up on the treadmill. But this is just what I'm wearing. This is usually what I wear to like run and stuff. It's just Lulu leggings, a little top, and then my Adidas shoes. I can link them. Okay, so hi everyone, happy Tuesday. I'm just gonna talk to you guys as I do my little warm-up walk before, hold on. We are doing our workout. Like I mentioned before, I'm really trying to prioritize this a lot better just because I feel better. So for today's workout, I'm gonna do a quick 30-minute run, and then I'm gonna do just like some arm workouts, ab workouts, stuff like that. And then I'm gonna shower and I am gonna actually like get ready, do full glam, because then I also have to film a really exciting video today. Actually, by the time this video's up, the video will already be up on my channel. So I am filming a Princess Polly haul because Princess Polly sent me a whole box of clothes and I am doing a video with them and I'm working with them and I have a coupon code. So if you haven't checked out that video already, go check. It'll probably be the video before this. I want to film that today because the box got here yesterday and I just have to like send it to them beforehand, I think, for it to get approved. And then, yeah, so that's what I'm doing this afternoon. And then I'll probably talk to you guys when I'm filming. Also, I got some packages sent to the apartment. I got like 2 other things that I want to talk about as well. So we're gonna do that a little later. But this is just me walking. Also, like, if you're wondering, no one ever comes up into the gym. Like, literally no one ever comes up to this gym. I love it. It's so nice. And the lighting here is amazing. Like, firstly, you can see everything. It's a beautiful view, especially with the leaves changing and like it's so fall outside. Just finished my workout. I ran 4 miles, sweating uncontrollably, so disgusting. I'm gonna do an arm track really fast and then we're gonna go downstairs, make some lunch, take a shower, and then get ready for filming. But that was a really great workout. I'm so happy with myself for just like doing it, getting it done. It's so like, it's literally upstairs. I just have to walk up upstairs to go and work out. So day 3, going very well, and I'm gonna finish up my workout and then I'll talk to you guys downstairs. It's been a little later after the gym. I had some lunch, I showered and I got ready, obviously, because I look a little bit better, and I just filmed my Princess Polly haul, which was really fun. But usually after I film a haul, my room is a complete wreck. So I just changed really fast and now I'm gonna clean up my room, and then I think I'm gonna go order some dinner from Fridge and Pantry because it's just been a little later. Also, like after the gym, I like talked to my mom and like did a bunch of other stuff as well. Threw some more laundry and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up my room. I have my ring light set up because I use that for filming, tripod, and then all of my clothes right here because that's just what happens when you film. I put my desk back together, but yeah. So I'm just gonna stick that, all of the clothes are in this box, but I'm gonna go ahead and just put all the clothes away. So I'm gonna put all the clothes away and like hang them up and put them in my drawers, and then we're gonna go grab some dinner, and then tonight we have a lot of work to do. But that's the update for right now. Wednesday, everyone. I've already had a pretty full day. I just lit my candle and we're about to hop on my second class for today, which is from 2:50 to 4:10. I had my first class from 11:40 to 1. Really haven't missed anything. I have a big project due Sunday, so Wednesday is a really like heavy schoolwork day with my classes, and I always try and get a lot of homework done. So this morning I was just doing that, just folded some laundry, and then I'm gonna hop on my next class. And then after that, I'm going on a power walk at 5 with my friend Emily because it's absolutely gorgeous outside, you guys. It's a beautiful fall day. And as you know, this week we've been trying to get outside, get moving, do something active every single day, work out more. So this is day 4. So we're gonna go on a power walk, just something a little bit more light because I've been running the past 2 days and doing like a bunch of more like, for me, they're more intense workouts. But so today we're just gonna do a nice walk. And then last night I went and got dinner with Kelly at Fridge and Pantry, and it was so delicious. So I think I'm gonna order that again for dinner because it was just super healthy and it was like a bunch of greens. So we're gonna do that for dinner, and then we're gonna work on our project for the rest of the night. And then also at some point I have a little mini haul that I just want to do and include in this vlog because I've gotten some new things sent and I thought that you guys would really like to see it. So we'll do that at some point. But I'm gonna stop talking and hop on this class, and I will talk to you afterwards. Hi friends, so I just got back from my walk with Emily. We walked for like 45 minutes, which was really nice. It's a beautiful day out, and then I just ordered Fridge and Pantry for dinner because I have a problem. So I'm gonna go pick that up. It's gonna be ready in like 15 minutes. But I wanted to do like a little quick haul for you guys because like I said earlier, a bunch of stuff has come to the apartment, which is really exciting. So the first item is from a brand called the Golden Cod, and they actually reached out to me and asked if they could send me one of their new items, and this is a New England brand. I'm gonna link their information in the description box. So preppy and classic, and so they sent me this t-shirt and it just says Stay Golden on it, which I thought was so adorable and cute. So this is gonna be perfect for like loungewear, but you could also probably wear this with like jeans and it would look really cute and like layer it for the fall. So that was the first item that came to the apartment, so I'm gonna, like I said, leave that in the description box. And then something else that was sent to me, which was so nice, is from an Instagram shop that does a bunch of like tie-dye sweatshirts and apparel. It's called cam_air_apparel. It'll also be in the description box. And she was so sweet, and she sent me this, a tie-dye crew neck, which is adorable. I love how it's pink and white, and then she put Miami University, and then she even put like a little bow on it, which I thought was so cute and personalized for me. So this is also adorable and perfect for like lounging around and wearing this for my online classes. So those two things were sent to me for free, so I just wanted to talk about that. And then the rest of the stuff I've just been ordering online. So the first thing I have are these really cute mauve. These are leggings, and these are from Athleta. I thought these were adorable. I love this color for the fall time, and these are pretty cropped. They're not like super long. I don't know what like Athleta's, this is the ultra high rise elation 7/8 tight. That means anything to anyone, but I'll, like I said, put them down below. So I got like a lighter purple, and then I also got a darker purple of the same type of legging. I just thought they were really different and fun, and I really wanted to get some colors of leggings just for something a little more exciting because, as you guys know, we're like power walking and working out and stuff like that, so it's always fun to have cute activewear. So those are the first two things from Athleta. And then I also got a new pair of tennis shoes from Adidas. I tried ordering these like earlier, but then they were sold out, so I ordered them again off of Nordstrom, and they look like this. NMDs are my absolute favorite tennis shoes, and I usually just get them in the white, but this is in more of like a nude taupe color. You guys know that's like literally one of my favorite colors. Okay, I just adjusted the camera a little bit. So the next thing is also from Athleta and then Lululemon. So I also ordered this really pretty, this is like a purple pullover. These are so comfortable. This was more for like heading into the winter as it gets even colder, because this is lined with fleece and it's really, really comfortable and it keeps you super warm. And then it just has these 2 zippers, and then it has kind of like a slight turtleneck. I love these. They're so, and then the bottom, as you can see, it kind of like has a crisscross type thing. And I just wear this with like leggings, and like I'll wear it with my new tennis shoes that I just showed you. And then from, wait, let me see, this is also, okay, this also is from Athleta. Yeah, so I got this adorable pullover. I love this pattern, how it's like all these different shades of gray. And then also from Athleta, I got another pair of leggings, and these are like a, I think this is either like a navy with like speckled detailing, as you can see, and like kind of gray in it. I don't know. It's not like an obvious pattern, which I kind of like, so you could still wear it with like basically anything, but I just wanted another pair of new leggings. Sorry, this is like such a weird setup, but all the stuff is like right here, so I just wanted to sit down and talk. So the next thing is from Lululemon, and this is just a plain top, but this is like a blue color. It's the same shirt that I'm wearing right now, so I got the same one, but it's just, as you can see, in this like blue color. And then I also got a new pair of leggings from Lululemon, and they look like this, and so they're black, and then it just has like a brown detailing pattern. Okay, so then the last thing I got, I just wanted to move the camera yet again because I wanted to be able to show this, is this set from Anthropologie. And you guys know how much we love sets. We have like tie-dye sets, different color sets, but this one is from Anthropologie, and this is velour, and my mom actually found this, and it's pretty new. I think it just like cinches right at your ankle, drawstring, so cute, and it's so beyond soft. And I also just like love this color. It comes with this little pullover, which is so cute. Look how adorable that is. And it even has like little detailing right on the sleeves. I was like, you could totally wear this as like a regular shirt, not necessarily even with the set, but the two of them combined are so beyond comfortable, because I already like tried this on obviously, and you like kind of look dressed up, which is so funny. So yeah, I'm gonna put all that stuff away, and like I said, I have some laundry that I need to fold, and I'm gonna go pick up my dinner from fridge and pantry, probably eat that, shower, clean up my room, and then work on some homework. And then I think we're gonna watch a movie later. My roommate's going to get some cookie dough because we're gonna make some cookies later on tonight. So yeah, pretty chill night, but I just wanted to update you guys and show you some of the fun things that have come to the apartment. Hello everyone, happy Thursday. You haven't missed much today. It's around like 12:15 at this point. I think I showed a little clip this morning of me making my coffee, my new little Halloween mug, which I'll have linked in the description box. So I got up around 8, made some coffee, worked on some assignments, and I had class from 10:05 to 11:25. And then I was actually supposed to go take pictures for Princess Polly with my friend Erin, and I totally didn't check the weather, and it's supposed to literally rain all day. So we rescheduled for tomorrow because she's amazing, and she was like, yes, I can do it tomorrow, and it's supposed to be sunny. So since I'm not doing that, basically I have the rest of the day free, which is actually totally fine because I have a huge project due Sunday. So the goal is to just finish the whole thing today because I just want that out of the way before the weekend. We still have kind of a lot of things to do, but yeah, it's gonna be kind of a low-key, not like heavy content day, just because I really need to get this project done. But this is what I'm wearing since it's kind of like, it was chilly out. Like I went out to go grab my Dunkin', and it was like kind of windy, and it totally felt like fall. So I'm loving this weather actually. But yeah, I'm just wearing my Aviator Nation set for homework today. I have my joggers and then a matching sweatshirt, and then I'm just wearing my slippers because I'm freezing, and my Dunkin', my iced black coffee with oat milk, which is my go-to order. So I'm just gonna be sitting here for the whole day. I'm gonna light a candle so it's super cozy in my room, probably get my blanket and sit at the computer and finish my project. Cheers to Thursday. Hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog. I know that it's like not been super exciting this week, but we're just trying to stay productive, and it's just a cozy homework day. Just got Chipotle dropped off for dinner because that sounded amazing, and as you can see, it is so gloomy outside. It's been like this all day long, so I've just been in the apartment working on my project, and also the whole apartment smells like pumpkin because of my little candle. That's from TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna eat this because apparently Emily doesn't know how to make dinner. Okay, I got a bowl. This is an absurd amount of sour cream. So I just get veggies. There's like corn salsa, rice, beans, lettuce, I asked for just a little bit of sour cream, but like whatever, I'll mix it up. And then I got some guac, chips, and I'm watching a rom-com, and then after I eat, I'm gonna keep working on my project, but I'm just taking a break to eat some dinner. So, happy Thursday. Okay, hello everyone. So I'm here with Erin, my lovely photographer and really good friend. Look at her, she's so cute. So we just took pictures for Princess Polly. So amazing, so easy, quick.
So fun and quick.
She's literally the best. If you go to Miami, you need pictures. I'm gonna put all of Erin's photography information in the description box. And she's just like one of my favorite people ever. So this is so much fun. Thank you so much, Erin. Okay, so I just got to Luna Blue, which is where I go to get my nails. I actually haven't gotten a manicure literally since like March. I've just been doing my own nails, but I don't want to do that anymore. So we are gonna go get a gel manicure, about to put on my mask. So yeah, we're gonna go get the manicure. That should probably take like 45 minutes or an hour. And then we're gonna go back to the apartment and I'm probably gonna work out, shower, and then I still have like a huge list of things to do. Okay, so manicure's done. Oh my gosh, this is the first time I've gotten a manicure since March. And I went to Luna Blue. If you guys are like, go to Miami, or live around here, definitely go to Luna Blue. Love that place. It's now, oh, my car's not even on. That would be helpful. It's 3:51. So that took a little bit under an hour. So I just did gel and I got this like really pretty cranberry color, and it's great because it's gonna last for a while. So I think I'm gonna go back and I need to eat something. I wanna work out. I might get a Starbucks order because we have a problem. Like I literally always just want coffee, and I don't know, that's not a good thing, but I think I'm gonna do a little mobile order. I want like a pumpkin spice latte or something, and then we'll go back and work out, and I still need to like clean my room and stuff. But that always literally puts me in the best mood when I go there. So okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, just got a pumpkin cream cold brew. This is our afternoon pick-me-up, so here we are. Very excited about it. It's delicious. Not healthy for you at all, but it's amazing. So I filmed the try-on portion for my haul, and this is what we're working with. So I need to clean up my closet, as you can obviously tell. I have some laundry that I need to do, but we're gonna leave that till later and like deal with all of this. I'm sipping my pumpkin cream cold brew, drinking my water, so amazing. So I'm gonna go clean. Okay, I just cleaned up my closet and I hung everything up, so that's looking a lot better. And then I just threw in my darks and some jeans into the washer. So doing a little bit of laundry, organized everything, and now my closet is looking much better, which is great. So check the first thing off of the list. Okay, just finished my workout. Did like 35 minutes of running. Now we're gonna go downstairs and make some dinner, and then we're gonna shower. Let's go work out. Look at pretty Oxford. Hi, good to see you. Also, happy Friday. It's like 7 o'clock. Full on party going on outside the rooftop. But whatever, we had to get our workout in, so I'm gonna go back downstairs because I'm so tired. Okay, hello everyone and happy Saturday. Today is a beautiful day outside. It's a crisp fall day, and I am just popping on here because I wanted to show you guys my outfit before I head out. We actually already had a call this morning from 10:30 to 11:30, and that went really well, just for like career advice and stuff. And then I just changed, and I'm gonna actually head to a coffee shop today. It's like 15 minutes away because I just want to like get out and about, and I have a lot of work that I need to do. I have my project I need to finish, videos I need to edit, resume, stuff like that. So I decided to just like look cute for this. First of all, I have my blue light glasses. These are from Warby Parker, because if we're being honest, kids, I just thought it went with my outfit. Plus, like, if I'm staring at the computer, I do wear these for long amounts of time. So yeah, I have those. And then I have this little sweater. It has sunflowers on it. That's really cute. It's from H&M. My necklace was actually sent to me. I will leave it in the description box. I'm going to be talking about this in a later video. And then I have my Madewell jeans, and then I have my little loafers. So yeah, this is what the look is for today. I have my whole bag packed right here. I have like my computer, my iPad, water, chargers, everything like that. And the room's super clean. So I'm gonna head out.